From the 3rd to the 14th December in Katowice, Poland, the meeting to address global warming took place. But according to the UN Secretary General, the objective of keeping the temperature within 1.5 degrees risks not being within our reach. The world is totally off course in its project to prevent catastrophic climate change. The meeting began with these words of the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. After a series of worrying environmental reports showing that to avoid global warming we need to drastically reduce its greenhouse gas emissions, Guterres warned delegates that even if we see devastating climate impacts that cause chaos around the world, we are still not doing enough. If we succeed in getting rid of fossil fuels, limiting carbon emissions, and tackling greenhouse gases, focusing on renewable, then perhaps that half a degree on which the whole world depends will be avoided.
Decisions and strategies on how to do this were set out in this summit. The focus was on what to do and how to do it quickly to comply with the Paris Accords agreed in 2015, in which more than 184 countries around the world have committed to reduce emissions. The problem is that there is no more time. Regarding temperature, the assumption is that today the global temperature has already reached plus 1 degree compared to the pre-industrial era. If we continue to emit greenhouse gases at the current rate, by 2040 we will reach plus 1.5 degree. By 2050 we fear plus 2 degrees, and by 2100 we could even reach plus 3 degrees. Scientists say that only half a degree can upset the planet. This is why the strategies and agreements that have been made in Poland on the basis of those at Paris are fundamental. The commitments are to limit the increase in temperature well below 2 degrees. They include increasing funding for climate action, developing national climate plans by 2020, committing to protecting ecosystems that absorb greenhouse gases, and requiring a joint effort by all global actors. This is why we have to act immediately.